You can't help us because of the washing up?
It's my husband, Bull Demon King. He went to save Cherry Blossom Village from a gang of demons, and he's not back yet. He's never been gone this long, and he's going to be in big trouble when he gets back, unless something bad has happened to him.
But you're Princess Ironfan. Why don't you go and find him?
Who would look after our son, Red Boy?
We will.
What?
Niwa and Jinho can babysit Red Boy, while Xiaoyan and I help you find the Bull Demon King.
Can we discuss this?
Trust me. And when your husband's home, you can put out the fire for us.
It's a deal. You be good, Red Boy. Mommy and Daddy will be home soon. Bye-bye, Mommy. Iron Fan! Catch the wind! Hop on board.
Excellent.
Yum, yum, yum. Potato cakes. Sure beats fighting demons.
Hi, Red Boy. We're Niwa and Jinho, and we're looking after you while Mummy's away.
He's gone to Cherry Blossom Village to look for your daddy. Yeah, he's big and brave and getting rid of the bad demons. Pow, pow, pow!
That's a nice ring. Do you want to play a game with it?
Yeah, magic chess. How do you play that? Like this. His mother didn't say he had magic.
I wonder why.
Oh, okay, that's enough fun. Put us down now.
Sure, magic chairs. Why do we always go with Raindrop's plans?
I don't see any demons.
Looks like Bull Demon King has done his job.
Yeah, but where is he?
I bet he's in a tea house celebrating, getting a big pat on the back for the great work he's done.
Out of the way!
They're attacking the village!
Who? The demons?
They're still here?
Hold up! Where's the Bull Demon King?
He arrived a few days ago, but we haven't seen him since! Hurry! Run for your lives!
Something's happened to him!
Then we have to go into the village and find out what.